And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, so we know there's going to be a few scattered showers and storms overnight tonight into tomorrow morning at the risk of an isolated severe storm, main threat being hail. But then we're going to see a pretty violent outbreak tomorrow, especially here Iowa, northwest Illinois, southeast Wisconsin, then Missouri down into Arkansas. This area could go high risk. Wouldn't surprise me if there's an upgrade to that. We are in the slight risk for midnight to 7 a.m. Tuesday night to Wednesday morning. Slight risk. Could we be upgraded to enhanced? It's possible. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll watch those Storm Prediction Center forecasts. But the main threat's wind, and then kind of secondary threats would be a little hail, and also can't rule out a tornado or two or locally heavy rainfall. Now, we look ahead into Wednesday, though, and from some of the data I'm looking at right now, some of the best parameters for severe weather are kind of shifting. They're shifting a little more towards Wednesday morning to Wednesday midday. So that's going to be something I'll be working on through the evening to kind of hone in on. It's slight risk right now, but parameters from what I just looked at, they look enhanced to moderate. We'll wait and see what happens. The main threat's wind. Also got to watch out for a little small hail and then some tornado risk. And again, this is kind of 7 a.m. To 2 p.m. on Wednesday. So let's dig in. There are a few scattered showers and storms later this evening into tonight, especially over the northern and northwestern counties. Then we watch tomorrow. We're pretty much capped tomorrow. We're not going to see much development at all, but these are tornadic supercells. We'll probably have several of these up here in northern Illinois, Iowa, and also down into Missouri. We pick up one wave of some of those storms overnight tomorrow night, Wednesday morning, and then for Wednesday itself, we're probably going to have a squall line come through with a robust severe weather risk. There's 12:30, and then it finally gets out of here and temperatures cool in the afternoon. But tomorrow's a 78-degree day. Some scattered storms in the morning, very windy later on in the day with some sunshine. Warmest day of the year so far. Look at those numbers, and dew points on the rise, so it'll feel a little bit humid. It will feel humid on Wednesday morning. Look at that, 8 o'clock in the morning, pushing 70, low 70s at noon. Again, severe weather risk evolving here. Then we got the sun out in the afternoon, but we're down to 55 by 5. There are the numbers, 70 to 76, but we're down to 51 to 61 by later on in the day. And look at those winds, gusts 45 to 55 Wednesday afternoon. Cooler Thursday, 55 Friday after upper 20s in the morning, but then we warm up. Saturday looks good. Don't cancel your plans on Easter, but be aware some scattered storms are possible later on in the day. I cannot rule out an isolated severe storm. We'll have to watch that one. We could have a marginal risk. And then it's cooler once again, especially cool on Tuesday.